Good morning, students. Myself, Muhammad Harun Arshad. In last lecture, we have seen practice set 1.2, some questions. 6 bits, I think we have seen in last lecture. 6 or maybe 7 bit. Today, we will see remaining bits from this same practice set 1.2, 8 bit. Question is same. Compare the following numbers. It means we have to find whether this fraction is bigger or this fraction is bigger or smaller, or any one fraction, right? So you know very well how to compare the given rational numbers or given fractions. So we will see which fraction is bigger or which fraction is smaller. Solution. Here in this fraction means first fraction minus 24 and minus 25 upon 8, and second fraction is minus 9 upon 4. So many methods are there to compare, but very simple method related to this question is we can make the denominator same of both the fractions. Here 8 is in this fraction, so we can make 8 here also. How? By multiplying 2, right? So we have to multiply this fraction, numerator and denominator, by 2. So we get denominator 8. No need to disturb this fraction. This will remain same, right? So minus 9 upon 4, we can write it as minus as it is. 9 multiplied by 2 upon 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 9 2s are 18, but minus 18, and 4 2s are 8, right? Now we have to compare these two fractions, minus 25 upon 8 comma minus 18 upon 8. Minus 25 upon 8 comma minus 18 upon 8. Now we can easily compare these two fractions because denominators are same. Just we have to compare their numerators. Minus 25 is smaller than minus 18 because minus 18 is near to the 0 left hand side and minus 25 is far away as compared to minus 18 from the 0, right? Minus 25 is less than minus 18. That's why we can finally conclude that this fraction is smaller than this fraction. Therefore, minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 18 upon 8. That is, किसको कंपेयर करना था एक्चुअल हमको, ये क्वेश्चन को. दैट इज minus 25 upon 8 is less than or smaller than minus 9 upon 4. This is our answer. Got it, students? Next, 9th bit is same as question number 8 or 8 bit, right? Now we will see 10th bit, minus 7 upon 11 comma minus 3 upon 4. Solution. Let A is equal to minus 7, B is equal to 11, C is equal to minus 3, and D is equal to 4. Why we are applying this method in 10 bit? Because in this question we can make easily denominator same, but here we have to multiply 11 by 4, or in this numerator 4 multiply by 11, right? तो ऐसा करने से बचने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, मीन्स यहाँ पर अभी डिनोमिनेटर सेम बना सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम दूसरा मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे जो 7th बिट में अप्लाई किए थे. मीन्स A मल्टीप्लाई बाय D एंड B मल्टीप्लाई बाय C. A multiplied by D means minus 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 28. 7 4s are 28. And B multiplied by C, that is minus 3 into 11. 11 3s are 33, but minus 33. Just we have to compare these two numbers, then we can conclude the given question. Minus 28 is greater than or bigger than minus 33. That is, क्या समझ में आया हमको ये माइनस 28 ग्रेटर देन माइनस 33 मीन्स a इंटू डी इज ग्रेटर देन b इंटू सी. जब कभी भी ऐसी कंडीशन होती है सो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विल बी बिगर देन सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन मीन्स a अपॉन b is greater than c upon d. Therefore finally we have to conclude minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. This is our answer. Understood students, all of you? Very good. ये हमने रूल्स जो जहाँ देखे थे हमने 3 रूल्स, वहाँ से वो रूल हमने यहाँ पर अप्लाई किए. Now we have to discuss or we have to learn the very important topic, that is rational and irrational number. Means what is the meaning of rational number and irrational numbers. In detail we have to discuss in today's lecture, right? We will see by some examples, then you can understand better. You know the definition of rational number, the numbers which in the form of p upon q, where the condition is q should not be equal to 0, then that number, that form is called as rational number, right? So वही फॉर्म रैशनल नंबर का फॉर्म का एक हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे, एक फ्रैक्शन लेंगे और उसी एग्जाम्पल की मदद से हम सीखेंगे कि रैशनल नंबर और इरैशनल नंबर में क्या डिफरेंस है. सो फर्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग 3 upon 5, right? 3 upon 5 is a rational number, numerator denominator form, right? This is p, this is q. This form is called as rational number, p upon q form. But we have to check whether the given fraction is a rational number or irrational number, right? मैंने अभी ये नहीं बोला है कि ये rational number है, just I am saying it is a fraction only in the form of p upon q. So we have to prove or we have to check whether the given fraction is rational or not, right? So we will check. 3 is in numerator, it means it is dividend, and 5 is in denominator, it means it is divisor, right? So 3 is smaller than 5, we cannot divide, so we have to take decimal, it become 30. 5 6 are 30, right? 0 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 0. This is our remainder, this is our quotient. 30 is dividend, 5 is divisor, and 0 is remainder. So listen all of you, whenever the quotient of any fraction form after division is terminating, if the quotient of any fraction form, numerator denominator form is terminating, it means remainder is 0, then that fraction is a rational number. Got it? क्या समझ में आया? टर्मिनेटिंग मीन्स यहाँ पर डिवीजन स्टॉप हो जा रहा है, डिवीजन स्टॉप हो रहा है मीन्स रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है, राइट? तो इस क्वेश्चन को कहते हैं टर्मिनेटिंग. क्या कहते हैं इसको? टर्मिनेटिंग मीन्स स्टॉप हो रहा है, टर्मिनेट हो गया है, एंड मिल गया हमको क्वेश्चन का. क्वेश्चन मीन्स आंसर ऑफ डिवीजन. सो 0.6 पर हमारा डिवीजन स्टॉप हो गया, रिमाइंडर 0 आया. इट मीन्स 3 upon 5 इज अ रैशनल नंबर by terminating, right? Terminating, right? Our quotient is terminating means end हो गया वहाँ पर हमारा आंसर. That's why this 3 upon 5 is a rational number. So हम यहाँ पर बता सकते हैं कि 3 upon 5 is a rational number. Now we will take another example. 7 upon 2, राइट. ऐसे भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप लोग 8 में आ गए, देख लीजिए. 2 1 ज़ार 2, 2 3 ज़ार 6, 1 कैरी और 1 रिमेन. 1 is smaller than 2, we cannot divide. So write decimal and add 1 0. So it become 1 become 10. 2 5 are 10. So what is the quotient of 7 upon 2? 3 upon 3.5. Quotient is 3.5. This is again terminating. Means यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर कुछ बच रहा है? No. Complete divide हो गया. 7 is completely divisible by 2 in decimal form. Right? That's why 3 upon 3.5 is a terminating. That's why 7 upon 2 is also rational number. Got it?